The country that I decided to talk about is South Korea. Um, North and South Korea separate Korea, which is located in East Asia. Um, Most people don't know this, but Korea was divided into two countries when the Japan Kingdom was demolished at the end of World War II. The size of South Korea is estimated to have around 51.3 million people, and it's the area. The area is around 38,691. So it's the area of about Fort Worth to San Antonio, about the area shown on the screen here. South Korea is a democratic form of government. They even have the same branches of government as the U.S.: the executive, legislative, and the judiciary. Religions is mostly made up of Christian religion, Christianity, and then Buddhism. Then there's a small sliver, I want to say about maybe 8 to 10% of other religions, while 43.3 is it's none. When doing research on other countries, I always find it interesting to see what kind of traditions and family values other places has. As far as art goes, Koreans take pride in their art. Korean art include traditions in calligraphy, music, painting, and pottery, often marked by the use of natural forms, surface decoration, and bold colors or sounds. The music of South Korea has evolved over the course of decades since the end of the Korean War and has its roots in the music of the Korean people. Korean music can be divided into three different main categories: traditional Korean folk music, popular music, and Western influenced non-popular music. I also like learning about things like this because no place is the same as the other. For instance, other countries may think that sticking their parents in a nursing home is good enough because at the end of the day, somebody's taking care of them. This is not the case in South Korea. Korean parents think that they should be taken care of in their old age by their children. Whereas here in the U.S., trying to take care of your parents is known to cause marital issues. As far as traditions go, the New Year celebration is by far probably the biggest, and this is known as the Seol. It's filled with plenty of traditional things, which includes games, foods, and gifts. Their education system focuses on students studying long hours and taking numerous numbers of exams. Numerous numbers of exams. It is said that Korean students from the ages of 11 to 15 experience the highest levels of stress than anyone else in the country. So here's a ranking which I got from a chart in about 2012, and they're second. And on average, they spend about 12 to 18 hours in school. So it's not shocking when you talk about their suicide rate among teens. In 2015, actually, two young girls committed suicide by jumping off of a building. And the note that they had attached said that they hate school. A researcher from a health institute in Korea, as well as others, are asking for more down and playtime for the students to enjoy each other. So that's that. As far as the environmental issues, there seems to be a lot in Korea, which is sewage everywhere, trash everywhere, and they tend to boil their water for drinking. And this is issues from sewage and other resources that damage some coastal and river ecosystems. Where in conclusion, I feel that the kids in school need downtime, because if you're not enjoying school, then you don't like it. You don't want to learn if you're not enjoying it, hanging with friends and stuff like that. So I think that should be fixed. Other than that, I think this is a good country. Here's my resources, and that is going to conclude my video. Thank you.